Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare Doodly with the Instadoodle and what are the things that you need to know about both. So the Doodly got a huge history that it was like great tool that many people were using in the past, and it costs like $49 and enterprise is $79. Now what is important to say that with the Instadoodle you have like more things available. So you have like the customization and AI technology, also realistic AI, that how it actually works is that you can actually like write things there and it's going to, you don't need to install anything and you just type what you want and our smart Doodle AI does the rest. So that's something very important, that if you want to use it, what you're gonna actually get from it, that you have also auto audio sync with slides, cloud-based app, easy, fun to use. And this is something that it's going to be a little bit more expensive, of course, in the moment when you want to use AI. But what I really like is that it's kind of like the future, what you can actually expect from it. And this is something that Doodly, in my opinion, is like missing, right? And even for the reviews, when you check it here, people say here that like they weren't satisfied, that it was kind of like expensive, it like upgraded. But again, there are like a lot of positive reviews too. And again, like this is like very important that I also read, is that it's not like one-time payment. It's not, only because is that you don't have like the monthly fees, and it can feel like it's inviting. Oh my god, $37 for one time and I can use it. Like in the moment when you're gonna have the AI there, it actually costs to use the API. Like, and it costs, it's not cheap thing. So in the moment you can have like credits there, and that you have to like pay for, because like you see here that for Instadoodle $37 one time, you have only 150 AI credits. I don't know what that means. It's like how much you can actually build with it, but you have to actually then pay for the for more AI credits. So this is something that you have to be aware of. So if you're looking for the AI stuff, you have to be aware with Instadoodle. It's like this, all right? And that's something that you have to be aware of. So yeah, that's for it. I hope it provides a little bit of value, what you can actually expect out of both tools. So the Doodly is more traditional thing. You actually know what you're getting. There are a lot of, if you just like want to do it by yourself, the standard way, like Doodly is not a bad thing. But with Instadoodle, you just have to expect it works differently. That you have the AI, but you have to be pay for it.